Hello, Mariam. How are you? Mariam, are you good? How are you? Can you hear me well?
Yeah.
Are you doing good?
Yes.
Awesome, awesome. Okay, I think we've got 5 minutes until it's time to start. If you want to continue on the questions that we started on last time,
Okay.
you can. Remember, we were estimating, Mariam?
Yeah.
Estimated meant that we rounded each number first to the given place value, and then we added or subtracted the numbers. Okay, so you can start at number 5 here. Round each of the numbers to the nearest hundreds and then add them.
Okay.
Okay, I'm with you step by step, just until the rest of the people join in.
5,200.
Can you round that number to the nearest hundreds?
Yeah.
How?
Yeah.
Oh, you sent it to me. Okay, let's have a look. Yeah, 5,200 and 3,400. Very good. Okay, now these are the two numbers that you would add. Hello, Sumaya.
Hello, Miss.
How are you?
I'm good. How are you?
Not too bad. Alhamdulillah. Thank you for asking.
Okay.
Do you have your things, notebook, everything ready?
Yeah, I have everything.
Okay. Whenever you are ready, we're just continuing on the same topic we started talking about last lesson, which was estimating the sums and the differences. So Mariam was just doing number 5. What was the first question? She rounded each of the numbers to the nearest hundreds. And now Mariam is going to add. Let me know as soon as you get the answer, Mariam. Okay, you're adding 5,200 and, sorry?
At number 6.
No, I want you to add the two numbers that you've just rounded here.
Oh, okay.
What's 5 plus 3? Oh, did you send me the answer on the chat again? Yes, it's okay. So Maya, wait. Right, it's 8,000 and wait. Can you show me again? I couldn't see. Show me your notebook again. 8,600 is correct. Very good. Okay, so you add the 5 in the thousands place with the 3 in the thousands place. That gives you 8, and 2 plus 4 is 6. Okay, so 8,600. So Maya, do you want to try and do question 6? Again, round each of the numbers to the nearest hundreds and then add them.
Oh. Which number do we have to round?
So 4,127, number 6, and 2,666.
4,100.
This would be 4,100. And the other number will be...
We're rounding that one too.
Yeah.
Okay, the other one would be 2,700?
2,700 is correct. Now you can do the adding.
All right, okay. So we're gonna add that. 0
Yes,
plus
please.
0. Is it going to be 6,800?
Yes, 6,800 is correct. Okay, let me remind you what the lesson was called again. It was called Estimate Sums and Differences, okay? So we round the add-ins, or the numbers that we're subtracting first, and then we add or subtract according to the question.
What was it called again? Estimate?
Estimate sums and differences.
Sums and differences.
Did anyone do the homework?
Yeah. I still couldn't.
You did it? Okay. We're going to have a look at the homework together today if you have time.
I think so.
Sorry?
I did the homework.
Okay. Really, really good. I'm proud of you, Maria. Okay. You finished with number 7?
Yeah.
What's the answer?
55,300. 5,600.
Yeah, that's the answer. You are right. So you basically added 5,300 plus 300?
Yeah.
And that is equal to 5,600. Very good. Thank you, Mariam. Who's got the baby crying? Can you please sit away from the baby that's crying because it's causing noise in the background? Okay. So you can send the answer on the chat if there's noise around you. Can we round 3,182 to the nearest 100?
Can I do number 8 in the chat?
Okay, but it's Sumaya's question, so I want Sumaya to answer it.
Mine didn't send everyone.
Okay. Do we have oh, here's Yusuf. Hi, Yusuf. Welcome.
Ziad, just wait.
Ziad, why do I call you Yusuf?
I do not know.
Okay. Okay, Mariam sent the answer to question 8 to me. So I'm still waiting. Round the two numbers and then add them. 3.2 plus 6.7. Yeah. You got it correctly, Mariam. Wow. So Maya, how's it going?
Do you round 3,000 and then 200? You for 3,182, you round that.
It would be 3,200, okay. Plus?
And then plus 6,600.
Mm-hmm. And what does that give you? What's 3 plus 6?
9.
9,000. And then 2 plus 6 is?
8.
8. So 9,800. I think you were off by 1, Mariam, because you said 9,700 or something, right?
Yeah.
So close. Okay.
By accident.
No worries. All right. Very good, girls. Nice try. Nice effort. And here are all the answers. Okay, Ziad, you can do question 9 for me. Number 9, estimate to the nearest thousands each of the add-ins and then add the two numbers. I mean, round each of the numbers to the nearest thousands, then add.
I think he's just getting settled, I think.
Okay.
Hey, Ziad. Sorry, Summer.
That's all right. Okay, whenever you're ready, Ziad. So you've got 48,205. How can I round that number to the nearest thousands? Doop-de-doo. Okay, let's give Ziad a minute to get ready. Girls, you can do it too, all right? Do it in your notebooks and you can check as we go. Find your number, look next door. Oh, someone sent me something on the chat. Let's have a look. Yes. Okay. So close. The second one is correct. The first one. Okay. Yeah. What happens when you add those two numbers, Mariam? What do you get? Ziad, are you ready?
Yeah. Yes.
Okay. Go on. Round this number to the nearest thousands.
To nearest thousand. Okay.
Yeah.
5,000.
500,000. What are you talking about?
So if I want to round it to nearest thousand, I can't do it 4,000, or else I need to go 800. Oh no, it's 4,000.
This is 48,205.
48,000. Um, 400. So 48,205.
48,000 would be 48,000, correct? Is that what you're saying?
Yeah.
Okay, how about this next one? It's
And the second one-
50,214.
Second one is 50,000.
Okay, and what's 48,000 plus 50,000?
Wait, I know.
Take your time.
I got 48. 48,000. 98,000.
Yep. 98,000 is correct. Whoops. So 48,000 plus 50,000 equals 98,000. Yes. Okay, Mariam, do you want to do question 10? Round to the nearest 10,000s.
I already put it on the chat.
I want you to tell me here. 25,497
Okay.
is equal to what if I'm rounding it to the nearest 10,000?
30,000.
Okay. Because you're looking at the digit in the 10,000s place, which is 2. That's the one either rounds up or stays as it is, depending on the number next door. The number next door is 5, and so the 2 rounds up to 3. So 30,000. Yep. What is 30,000 plus? Okay, now do the same thing here. You're looking at the 5 in the 10,000s place. Depending on the digit next door, the 4, either it stays as it is or rounds up. What do you think is going to happen? Okay, 80,000. Yeah, 80,000 is the final answer. But what is this 54,088 rounded to the nearest 10,000?
50.
It would be 50,000 exactly. What's 30 plus 50?
80.
Yes, so the answer is 80,000. Okay, Sumaya, question 11. Round to the nearest hundreds and then subtract.
7,172 would be 7,200
7,200 minus,
minus 5,100.
yeah. Okay, let's try and do the subtraction together.
Right.
0 minus 0 is
0.
and then again the same thing. So 0, 0, then 2 minus
0
1
is 1.
2 take away 1 is 1, okay. And then 7 minus 5?
Is 2.
2, so 2,100. Very good. Okie dokes, yeah, number 12.
Yeah.
Can you
Okay.
round each of the numbers to the nearest thousands and then subtract?
So 9,200.
Yeah, no, that's to the nearest
No.
100. So
Oh, to the 1,000. 8,000.
would it be 8,000 or 9,000?
9,000.
Yeah, 9,000.
9,000 minus
Mm-hmm.
6,000.
Right. And what's the answer? It's 9 minus 6?
15,000.
So we're subtracting, we're
Oh,
not adding
9
here.
minus.
Yeah, careful. Very common error. People mistake adding and subtracting together all the time. Be
3,000.
careful. 3,000,
3,000.
right. Very good. Okay, since you guys are getting on very, very well here, I want you to try the following 4 questions. Okay, and then we're going to do the word problems together. Okay, I want everyone to try and do those 4 questions. You have 10 minutes to finish. You should finish them in less than 10 minutes. So again, round, estimate. Yes, estimate and then subtract according to the given place value. For example, in number 13, you're rounding to the nearest hundreds, here to the nearest thousands, and so on. Okay, do all of them real quick in your notebook, and we'll check after you're all done with all questions.
So we're doing it to. So Miss, are we doing it to the nearest 100, and then we're doing it to the nearest 1,000, 1,000, and 1,000.
Yes, and then you subtract. Okay, so round each number to the nearest
So like
100.
the first, so like the first one's 600, take away 200.
It would be 2,600.
Take away 200.
2 or 3?
300. Yeah.
Exactly. Yes, that's what it would be. Maya, look who's here and wants to say hi to you.
So cute.
he wanted to see him. Remember, he told me he wanted to see my dog.
He's cute.
It's a sheep, but yeah, thank you.
He's cute.
Thank you. All right, Mariam has been sending me all her answers on the chat. Let's have a look. And Sumaya, okay. Yep, Sumaya, the first question was right. And same thing with, yeah, Mariam, you've also got 2 questions correct. You sent me 13 and 15, so you need to do 14 and 16 now, Mariam. Okay. Right. Yeah, Ziad sent the first one correctly. Keep going, guys. Doing really well. Actually, so Ziad, you sent two versions. The one you sent in the beginning was the right one. Okay, so 2 zeros, not 3 zeros. Right. Send me a third answer now. I don't know what to make of it. Ziad, the last number you sent, was that for question 13 as well?
So the first one's for question 1, second's for question 2, third's for
Okay.
question 3, and I'm doing
I
question
see.
4.
Okay, now I see what you mean. All right, yep, everyone's got the first one correctly.
Done.
This is
I've
great.
done.
Okay, thank you. This is 28 take away 5, which is equal to 23,000. Yes, you sent the correct answer here too. All right. I've just checked all your answers here.
Yeah.
Everything appears to be good. 22 and then 27. Yeah. The 28 minus 5. Wait, 28 minus 5.
28 minus 5. 23.
Yeah, so for number 15, what was your answer?
It's because it says. No, my answer was 22,000.
Wait, okay, you sent 23,000, but I thought that was for the previous question.
Oh, sorry. I mean 28,000.
Okay, 28 minus 5 is 23,000 again. So did you all, Mariam and Sumaya, did you guys also get, for both questions, 14 and 15, 23,000?
Yeah.
Okay. And Mariam?
Yeah.
Okay, I just saw your answer to question 16, 47, take away 20 is 27,000, yes. And yeah, you sent the correct answer for number 16 as well. Okay. Sumaya, were you done with the last one? I can wait if you weren't done. Okay, so this would be 47,000. Take away 20,000. What's 47 minus 20, Sumaya? I think we're gonna play that game today.
Miss.
27.
Yes, 27. Yes, Ziad.
On Tuesday you said the next lesson on Thursday, if we're good, at the end we'll play a game.
Yes, yes, that's what I was just saying. I think we might be able to do that today because we're doing really, really well. All right, let's go on to the word problems. Here you go, the answers are there. We're gonna do 3 of those together and then we go on to the game. So the table shows the tallest buildings in the world. Round each height to the nearest 100, then write a number sentence to solve each of the questions. So you see the building names on the table, and then which country they're located, and finally the height for each of those buildings. In the question it goes, about how much taller
Number 1's the bigger.
is the Willis Tower than the Jin Mao building? Okay, so you can see, you can, hang on a second. I'm not asking you which one is taller. Okay, the key word here is about how much. All right, when it says about how much, that's your keyword for estimating, because you're not looking for the exact difference in the number. You're looking for about how much something is, you know, more than something. So it means that you're calculating either a sum or a difference by estimating the difference, or finding the sum, again, as an estimate. So you want to find the height for each of the buildings, round that height to the nearest hundreds or to the nearest thousands, then find the difference. So Mariam, what's the height of Willis Tower? from the table. Hello? You had your hand up, Mariam?
1,450.
Right. Can you round that to the nearest hundreds for me?
Okay. $1,500.
Okay, it will be 1,500. Thank you, Mariam. And Ziad, what about the Jim Mao building? It's on
The
the table.
Gmail
You've got
building has got 1,381
what's that number rounded to the nearest hundreds?
to the nearest hundred, 1,400.
Okay, and find the difference. What's the difference now between 1,500 and
1,000 is
1,400?
the difference.
Is it 1,000? Is it 100?
100, sorry.
Okay.
100.
Yep. Mariam, you sent me something that does
The
not
worst
appear to be
towers
correct.
in the United States.
According to this, yes. Okay, so 100 feet. All right. Does it make sense? Does the answer make sense, everyone? Thanks, Sumaya, for the feedback. Sumaya's always ready with her amazing. Okay, here's the answer here again. All right, next question says, again, was that question 17? That was question 17. Question 18 says, estimate the difference between the height of the Taipei 101 building and the Empire State Building. In the same way, from the table, round each of the heights to the nearest hundreds and then find the difference. Okay, again, your keyword is estimate the difference. Taipei is this in Taiwan. And then the other building, Empire State Building, here it is, it's in the United States. So round each of the heights to the nearest hundreds, then find the difference. So Maya, you can do that question whenever you're ready. Let me know the answer.
Oh my god, I'll tell you later. Make sure you do it.
Wow.
I found that hilarious.
So do we have to round?
Yes. So what is this height rounded to the nearest hundred?
The 101, 100.
Make sure you do it, 'cause I'm gonna.
Oh, Taipei. It would be 1,000 and
1,000 and which one?
the height here,
Oh,
1,669.
1,669 would be 1,700.
Right? Minus, again, do the same thing for the Empire State Building, round it to the nearest hundred.
1,200. Would it be 1,200?
By the way, I can't actually know. It just says this.
1,300.
I'm trying to figure out how I can do it. They have a config.
What, 700 minus 300, Sumaya?
1 minus 1 is 0. 7 minus 3 is 4 and 0, 0. So
So
400.
400. Very good, thank you. Okay, so number 18, the answer was 400 feet. You are correct. Very good, very good. All right, everyone do number 19. About how much taller is Petronas Towers than the Empire State Building? Petronas Towers is there in Malaysia. And it's taller than the Empire State Building by how much? Again, it says about how much taller. Because of the word about, you're estimating. Okay, and it says tell a friend how you rounded to find your answer. Ooh. Okay, Mariam's got something. No. Okay. I'm waiting. Do that one. Everyone do it.
Miss, what's 82 minus 50?
82 minus 50. It
Yeah.
would be what's 8 minus? It would be 32. But I don't want you to find the exact difference, Ziad. You want to round first.
232 then. 200 then. 200. Wait.
Yeah.
Two,
You're right.
200 and
Mariam also sent me the answer.
232.
It's just 200 if it's rounded. Because it's 1,500 minus 1,300. Mariam sent it as well. So Maya, how's it going?
I'm still a little confused.
Okay, so you would round. Wait, Ziad, you're still sending 232 again. 232 is the exact difference. It's not the estimated difference.
Can be 230 or 200.
Yeah, the answer is 200 because you would round Petronas Towers. Do you see Petronas Towers is 1,482. You would round that to the nearest hundredth. It would be 1,500. And then the other building, the Empire State Building, is here. You would also round it. It will be 1,300. Finding the difference between 1,500 and 1,300 would give you this 200 feet. Mariam, can you please keep your camera open?
Okay.
And this is the explanation. It says, I looked at the digits in the tens place first, rounded to the nearest hundred, and then I subtracted. This is one way to... Did anyone write a different explanation that they're willing to share? Okay. Sumaya, you're good? Everything okay? All right. Are we gonna start that game? One last question, number 20. It says, write two numbers that when rounded to the thousands place have an estimated sum of 10,000. Okay, everyone's gonna get a different answer for that one. Any two numbers.
What?
So come up with any two numbers.
Yeah.
In the thousands place. When you round those numbers and add them, their sum is about 10,000. And then write a number sentence. I'll do one, okay? Let me give you an example, but please don't copy the same numbers like mine. So I'm gonna say 3,256 plus 6,890. If I round each of those numbers to the nearest thousand, this one is gonna round to 3,000, and this one is gonna round to 7,000. Now, if I add 3,000 and 7,000, I would get 10,000. Okay, so I want you to come up with two such numbers that when rounded and added would give you 10,000. Someone sent me something already on the chat.
9,000 plus 1,000. Or 6,000 plus 4,000.
Yeah, but I don't want it to be rounded already. Okay, I want it to be complicated. I want it to be complicated, but when the number gets rounded, then it becomes that. So if you're starting backwards, Sumaya, use those numbers that you add together to get 10,000, and then add digits within the hundreds and the tens and the ones.
2,000 plus 8,000.
But I used to not anymore. That was like in the first two.
2,000, and just invent a number with digits everywhere. Digits in the hundreds and in the tens and the ones.
2,000.
Okay, make it.
Oh, 2,000 plus.
Fair comment, Ziad.
Did you get it?
Sumaya, you're not the teacher.
See?
Easy.
Like, you can't say he's big. You can't say who's being good or bad.
Everybody wasn't good today. I wasn't saying people are doing good today.
Yeah, but I'm saying that the teacher should say that, not you. So what if you? So just listen. What if you were bad? And the teacher also said that, and you'll go telling your mom after the tutor, "Mom, I was the best, and everyone was so bad."
No, I would not say that.
The clock is ticking, guys. We've got 9 minutes left. So as soon as you give me your sentences, I'm going to start that game.
Yes.
Quick. Either send them to me on the chat or tell me when you're ready.
Oh, Miss, I know what to say. 2,000 plus 5,435. Or 9,900.
Hey, slow down. 2,000 and?
2,455.
455 plus?
Plus, are we doing random numbers?
Yes, random numbers.
9,909. 9,981.
9,981. Now, if I round each of these numbers, Sumaya, the first one rounded to the nearest thousand is going to be 3,000.
Yes.
The second one rounded to the nearest thousand is going to be 10,000. 3,000 plus 10,000 is 13. That's too big. Okay, I need something to give me a sum of 10,000.
4,000.
Write your sentence first, then come back. Ziad, are you ready?
Yeah, I'm just making my random number. I'm just texting it to you.
Okay, Mariam is ready. Go on, Mariam. Text it to me. I'll see it on the chat. Mariam.
Yeah.
Huh? You had your hand up. What are your numbers?
I did it.
Okay, what did you get?
13,000.
13.
1,000.
Okay, do you want to send it on the chat? Because I can't really hear you. Or show me. If you've got it in front of you, just show me like that on the camera.
You got it in the chat.
Oh, you did? All right, let me have a look. Okay, so you said 8,569 and 3697. So 85. Let's see. 8,569 plus 3697. Okay, if I was to round that first one, it would be 9,000. And the second number would round to 4,000. 9,000 plus 4,000 is 13,000. Again, it's not 10,000.
I don't know.
Okay, you want to make sure that when you round the numbers, you get 10,000. All right, Ziad looks like he sent me something else. Sorry, that's incorrect again. Let me see. Yeah, okay. So this would be 4,000 plus 5,000. Very close, yeah. What you sent me is going to add up to 9,000. Okay, because if I round each of the numbers you sent me to the nearest thousand, that's going to give me 4,000 plus 5,000, which is 9,000. So close. So if you change one of the digits. Oh, Sumaya sent me. No, Sumaya. That's too small. If you change one of the digits, yeah, then your thousands place up a digit higher. That should give you the correct answer. Can you send again? Sumaya, are you confused?
How? It's too small.
Too small because the first number you sent would round to 4,000 and the second one would round to 3,000. What's 4 plus 3? It would be 7,000.
7. Oh,
too small.
God. Oh, I'm going to do something that
I do not know what to do now.
Ziad, I want you to send me, I want you to change one of the digits in the thousands place, make it a digit higher, and then send whatever you sent again.
Thousands.
The numbers that you sent me.
Oh, easy.
Make one higher, okay?
Yes.
All right, let's see.
Number.
Can you tell me what the
I'm
number
just
is?
gonna text it. I'm just gonna text it.
Okay, fine.
4.
Sumaya, what is that?
No, that's not. It was supposed to be 8,543 plus 2,435.
Oh, that one now is too big.
What?
Okay, let me try Ziad. Ziad
Eight
said
plus
4,591
10.
plus 4,869. Okay, let's have a look at Ziad's number.
Yeah.
Yeah.
The first one is going to round up to 5,000, and the second one is going to round up again to 5,000, and 5,000 plus 5,000 equals 10,000.
He did it. What?
He did it.
That's
But
cool.
yours,
You're all losers.
Sumaya, now this time it was a bit too high. Whatever you said, because you didn't send it, whatever you said was a little bit too high. Okay, good effort, guys. Since Ziad was the one who answered this question, firstly, correct, Ziad, I want you to come up with a nice, simple multiplication question or
Cheating.
addition question, and tell me what it is.
What?
Come up with a question.
What question?
Any question.
Right, come on, Ziad.
Either addition
Yeah.
or multiplication.
Tell us one question.
Maybe
Addition?
multiplication.
Can it be like subtract too, or does it have to be?
You know what I can do? I can just do 4,500. I do not know
4,000.
what to do. 4,591.
4,591
Multiplication.
multiplied by 2?
Yeah.
Okay, thanks. All right, now Sumaya's going to answer that question. Sumaya, what's 2 times 1?
Miss, she's cheating.
No calculators. 2 times
Okay,
1 is 2.
I'm making a different one. Okay, put the calculator away. Put the calculator away. I'm making a
Yeah,
different
put the
one.
calculator away, please. Sumaya,
9,000. Wait, 7,957
Whoa.
Thank you.
7,057.
Yeah.
plus 5,496.
Thank you. Good.
These are just
Sumaya, no
random
calculators.
numbers.
That's the whole point. Sumaya, what's 7 plus 6?
13.
Okay. So I'm going to write the 3 down on the bottom and then carry 1, right?
Yeah.
What's 5 plus 9?
13.
9 plus 5 is...
Sorry.
9 plus 5 is 4.
Be quiet, Ziv. 9 plus 5 is 14.
Yeah. The other
Plus 1?
is 15.
15. So I'm going to write the 5 and then carry 1. What's 9 plus 4?
13.
Plus 1?
14.
So I'm going to write the 4, carry the 1 up. Okay, what's 7 plus 5?
12.
Plus 1.
Oh, 13.
Okay. Now I want you to use this answer, since you got it correctly. Either add something to it, subtract something to it, or times something to it. And Mariam's going to do the next one.
Right. We're going to be doing
So should I write plus, minus, or times?
times.
Can you do divide? Do divide, please.
No.
Do divide. Then do times at least.
No.
Guys, 1 minute left. It looks like you're going to do the question and not Mariam's, Ziad. In that case.
So it's going to be 1,453 times 5,963.
Sumaya, either give me plus, minus, or times right now.
I just
Give me one of the operations. No, tell me.
But
Times.
1,000 times 963.
So now pick either 2, 5, or 10.
2, 5, or 10? 10.
I pick up the numbers. You just choose. Pick a number, 2, 5, or 10. Quick.
5.
Okay, thank you. All right, now, Mariam, I want you to write this question down. 13,453 times 5. So bad.
Yeah.
Write this question down. 13,453 times 5. You're not going to give me the answer today. You're going to give me the answer next time. If you get it correctly, we're going to start with you next time on the game. If you don't get it correctly, you end up being last again. Okay, so write the question down. You don't have to do it right now, like I said. 13,453 multiplied by 5.
In my notebook.
Yes, do it in your notebook and send me the answer as soon as you've got it. On the Google Classroom or on WhatsApp, to Talha's number or whatever. Okay? Okay, thanks, guys.
I got the answer.
Time is up. You've got the answer already.
What's
What is it, Mariam?
Yeah, I was thinking.
You're thinking. Okay, so what's 3 times 5?
3 times 5.
Guys, you want to see
Okay, you don't have the answer.
Wait, give me a second.
Okay, 1 minute. You've got 1 minute, not more.
30.
Basically, what you do is when you go on, you have to go in backward and tell all the people.
I need to do it. Okay, I'm gonna write it down in my notebook.
What's 3 times 5, Mariam?
3 times 5, 15.
Okay, so I'm going to write 5 and then carry my 1 up here. What's 5 times 5?
5 times 5, 25.
Plus 1?
Plus 1.
What's 25 plus 1?
What?
26. You just said 25 plus 1 is 26. Yeah?
Yeah.
What's 4 times 5?
4 times. It's 67,265.
It should be 77,000. Or is it 6? Am I wrong? Yeah, you are right. 67,265 is the correct answer. All right, we're going to start with this number and Sumaya next time. Mariam next time. Well done, guys.
So,
Okay, check out the homework on the Google Classroom. It's due next week, okay? It looks like this. It's a page that looks like this.
oh yeah, this one.
Okay. It's got 8 questions, so complete them. And yeah, just be ready with the homework next time on Tuesday. Okay. Okay. Thank you, guys.
Bye.
Bye. Have a great
Bye.
weekend and see you next Tuesday. Okay. Bye.
Bye. Bye. Bye.
Bye. Bye.